One of the most recognizable faces in the entire shooting and hunting industry is Steve Hornady, president of Hornady Manufacturing and host of the DSC-sponsored Hornady's Dark and Dangerous TV show on Sportsman Channel. On May 16th at the Doubletree Galleria, Steve will deliver an exciting presentation titled Bullets for Big Game, a subject he is uniquely qualified to speak on. Steve will offer in-depth discussion on bullet design and performance for a wide variety of game, from dikers to dangerous game. Beautiful still photography and exciting video from the world's game fields will bring the Bullets for Big Game presentation to life. And of course, Steve will weave his noted sense of humor into the evening. Trust me, this is a meeting you do not want to miss. I'll see you at 6 p.m. at the Doubletree Galleria when we welcome one of the industry's most iconic, knowledgeable, and downright entertaining hunting personalities, Steve Hornady.